Meteor explodes over Russia. An explosive event in February of 2013 shows us the dangers that can happen when space debris strikes our atmosphere. A meteor 20 meters wide, traveling at 68,400 kilometers per hour, exploded over central Russia near Chelyabinsk. The blast blew out windows, damaging more than 7,000 buildings, and sent more than 1,400 people to the hospital with cuts and scrapes. The light from the blast was 30 times brighter than the sun, causing skin burns similar to sunburn. The shock wave was so strong that many early morning pedestrians were thrown to the ground. The power from the blast was 30 times stronger than an atomic bomb. Fortunately, the blast was 40 kilometers high above Earth's surface, which allowed the Earth's atmosphere to absorb most of the shock. If the blast had occurred closer to the ground, or if the giant rock was just several meters larger, the destruction would have been enormous, leveling buildings and killing thousands of people. This blast is the biggest known meteor explosion since the 1908 Tunguska meteor blast, which flattened 80 million trees in a remote area of Siberia. The Tunguska blast leveled an area more than twice the size of the New York City metropolitan area. These two events, which have taken place in just over a single person's lifespan, show us not only the danger but the likelihood of larger objects striking the Earth and causing complete destruction of cities or even complete devastation to the whole planet. America's National Space Agency, NASA, takes these threats seriously and has established a program for finding and tracking near-Earth objects. More than 13,500 near-Earth objects of all sizes have been discovered to date. About 1,500 new near-Earth objects are detected each year. NASA has discovered 90% of near-Earth objects larger than 1 kilometer and are now focusing on finding objects that are slightly bigger than a football field, 140 meters or larger. NASA's goal is to find 90% of this class of near-Earth objects by the end of 2020 and has found 25% of these mid-sized objects to date. NASA also has long-term planetary defense goals, which include finding ways to deflect or redirect objects that are on an impact course with Earth.